Hello everyone. Let's discuss our latest cue card. Describe a prize that you received. You should say what it was when you received it, what did you do for it, explain how you felt about it. Let's discuss all the points one by one. Our first point is what it was. Prizes are always inspiring and help people to perform in a better way. So, right from my childhood, I have participated in various competitions and won prizes. But once I was extremely lucky to win a prize which I am going to talk about here. It was a prize which I won in the painting competition during my school days. So here there are some vocabulary words such as inspiring. It means motivational. You can also say prizes are motivational. They motivate us in a right way. And the other word is extremely lucky. Wherever you are about to use a very, you should say extremely. You should replace the word very with extremely. And also you can give your own ideas, like I have mentioned the school competition. You can say the competition was organized in my college, or other ideas can also be added in your cue card. Our second point is when you received it. It was the day of our annual function when our school authorities decided to organize a painting competition for the students. Since all my classmates were participating, I had a keen desire to be a part of that competition too. I discussed it with my class teacher and she encouraged me to take part in it. Finally, I gave my name for the competition. So, as you can see, I have mentioned a competition of painting. It is not compulsory to use painting competition. You can add any competition as per your choice, such as cooking competition or sewing competition or any other competitions such as sports competition. So always use whatever you like. It is not compulsory to follow the idea that is given in the cue cards. It is totally up to you which one you want to use in your cue card. So our third point is what did you do for it? On the day of the event, all the students gathered in the main hall. I too reached there on time. We were not given any specific topic as they wanted us to use our imagination. We had 30 minutes to complete it. I immediately ran my mind in all the directions and finally I made up my mind to draw a landscape with the aesthetic appeal. First of all, I made a blueprint. So, what did you do means how did you prepare for the competition, or what did you do when the competition started? You can add your own ideas also in this bullet point. And the blueprint means a plan of something. When we plan for something, we can say that I have made a blueprint for that. So, it is a good word to use in this point. Then I portrayed some houses made of bricks and mud along with some lush green trees. I also painted some moving crops and farmers who were toiling in the fields. After completing my painting, when I observed it carefully, I found it to be marvelous. I submitted it within the time. So this is the explanation of what did we do in the painting competition. Instead of using green trees, I used a word lush green trees. So it is good to use such words in order to have a good impact on the speaking examiner. And also the word like marvelous, it means very beautiful or great. So don't use simple words like great, better. You should use such words like marvelous, it was awesome, it was stupendous. So such words can have a good impact on your speaking band scores. It is all about what did we do for the competition. Now we will move to the next point. Our last point is explain how you felt about it. Now we will answer this. When all the paintings were examined, it was the time to declare the results. My joy knew no bounds when I won the first prize in the competition. I was given a bouquet and a cash prize of rupees 5,000. My parents and teachers were proud of me. This victory really uplifted my spirit and I became more confident after that success. So, this was the prize which I won and felt extremely delighted. Here, some phrases and idioms are used, such as my joy knew no bounds. It means I was over the moon, I was happy, and the other is I felt extremely delighted. Delighted means happy, so you should not say I felt happy, you should say I felt delighted, or I was over the moon, or you can say I was on cloud 9. So this is always advised to replace some words in order to get good speaking band score in your final exams. So this is all about our cue card. Subscribe our channel for more IELTS videos and latest updates.